Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guide West Giant Hill District kumshi benta ban pen I ya ka jingla bat ka jingtibit jogi khna Scout and Guide hakirukom ba pher hakani ka arpundru tarik urisau araja upway ka lapinlong ya ka raja Pureshka testing camp ha district headquarter Jowai kani ka testing camp ka longkoway na kirukom badai banle ni pendet manlausnen daki bor penya jong ka Scout and Guide movement badun hakeleng ki jela kari India but lengba kum kini ki testing kan ki bor penya kila ban tip ye ka jingla bat ka jingtibit jong ki khna na ka banta bakila ban penkup ye ki ya ka kerdan ka balatip kum ka Raja Pureshkar Award ne Governor Award but Rashtrapati Award ne President Award hakani ka testing kan menta usnen ladon kum bakhat sangut ki khna bakan thup ye ki sangut ki scout but khandai ngut ki guide Nike Artlik School Bakanthum, a Church of God Secondary School Umulong, but Kamarian Hill Higher Secondary School Jowai. But Yaganeka testing camp, the Shimti Banpeg, but Penya, the Kibril, Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guide. State Headquarters Shillong, Kibakantup Yau, Benhar Mario Mertong, State Organizing Commissioner Scout, Ukraw Kopar Yaupnyau, Staff State Headquarters Shillong, ka Catherine Nongse, State Organizing Commissioner Guide, but ka Matilda Lengdo, Assistant State Training Commissioner Guide, Harangkat ka Jinge Donlang, ka Siami Shila, District Organizer Guide, u Elbis Dikhar, District Organizer Scout, u Ohiwad Lalu, District Secretary, MBS and G, West Giant Hills, u Tabor Rambai, Scout Master, Kaniwan Kenriam, Guide Captain, Church of God Secondary School Mulong. But Gagrikars Risa Sana Guide Captain. Kibentang bat kirukom kibalay shim ban peg ban yit benya ya ka jingla jogi khna hakane ka Raja Pureshkar testing camp kilong hakirukom ba pher ba kanthup ya ki noting but lashing first aid compass estimation but kiway kibede but karukom im jongi khna Scout and Guide